Me too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna have a small fun video for you guys. I brought Becca back on high demand because apparently some people like her. I don't get it, but so we're gonna be making slime today. I bought this at Walmart for 10 bucks on clearance. And I was really excited because I've never made slime before. So I brought Becca here because apparently she's an expert. Or at least she's touched slime before. I always thought slime was like gross. So we have this giant Easter egg full of a bunch of different things to make our own slime. Hey! Ooh.
Okay, let's set up. We're gonna need this. Yes.
Hi, buddy. This is my cat Chili. I've had Chili for I think 2 years now.
Almost.
About 2 years. I got her on my which birthday? 20, right? My 20th birthday. She just had babies. I'll show you guys at the end. But she has 5 babies. We have 12 different kinds of slimes.
And 3 clear ones.
3 clear ones. Alright, let's get to work.
I guess
Let's create a slime. Make some slime with us. Neither do I. It already comes made.
Is it just me or my grandmother?
This is my brother Paige and Francisca. What do you mean no? That's who you are. He's the youngest. We come from 7.
9.
No, 7 kids. I made galaxy slime. Look at this.
That's pretty.
It matches my hair.
And then Abbyjae, we can make a huge slime. Which color? Gray?
Open it, Paige.
Yeah, no.
Well, let me add some.
What is this for?
So hold it.
To put it in. Yeah. Mine's pretty, but
That's pretty. Did you add gold or anything to it yet?
not yet. Gold. Yeah, look at our
Sparkles.
sparkles. I'm gonna add. I made a bubble. I'm gonna use my hands now.
This is my first slime done. I call it the galaxy.
I call this, I don't know.
My first slime, I call it the galaxy slime. I don't know how well it's gonna actually be shown.
It's green. Mine's green.
This is my slime. My first slime ever. Oh, I ripped it. Okay. I think that.
Look, a tongue. Look, I made a tongue. You wanna try it? Hold it, let me take this out. Wait. There.
Huh. I pull out the slime.
Just squeeze it.
Because I'm trying. Find you a slime.
It's my slime though.
Yes.
What if we mix all of these together?
That was probably a bad idea. Oh my god, I can't get my slime out. Ah! I had a great idea. I think I ruined it. Ah!
That's what it's supposed to be.
I know, but I didn't want to mix my slime. Now I have so many sparkles.
How do I keep messing up?
Another, okay.
Get closer to the camera, Abbyjae. No, not that
Not
close. You said get close. Here, ready. Don't throw it up in the air. That's not how it's supposed to work. Then it's gonna get hard.
Aww. It's not a bouncy ball?
No.
So what's the point of it?
Yeah.
It's my third slime. Would have been my second, but I ruined my second by adding it to my first. I broke it.
Okay, this feels nice. I cannot we do that. You drink it and then you...
Ah, we drink it. Got it.
No.
Shut. Who's up first?
Me. Okay, that's enough.
Alright.
Because it's gonna go. What?
She's just watching.
Then, let's do this.
You love it.
Okay, let's open every single one. Not yet. Look, let me punch.
Hey, you got it in the sparkles you dropped.
More activator, please.
Yes, doctor.
That's enough.
Did you hear me? Yes, doctor.
Don't test.
I need more activator. Stat.
Work.
Did you fart or did the slime fart?
It was the slime.
I'm sure it was, Becca.
Why you gotta call me out like that?
Oh, so you did fart.
No!
That's all we have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed our short little video, and I hope you guys all stay healthy in your guys' quarantine. Remember to wash your hands and stay sanitized and stay inside as much as you can. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, Chili. Hi. And these are our kitties. We have 5 kitties. They all look like 3 look like Chili, and 2 look like Chili's siblings. Chili also had another baby. I'll go show him in a minute. And then the rest of our cats are outside. This is Mimi. He's our only boy right now. He's very cuddly and he's really nice. He's Chili's first kid. She had a batch of 3, but he's the last one left. This is Mimi. Hi, Mimi. You can see the resemblance. And I think this is either Keto or it's Neko. Nope, that's Keto. Keto doesn't really like people.